In the Masai Mara, the air is filled with the melodies of some of Africa's most iconic and fascinating birds. This is a land where the skies come alive with color and song. The lilac-breasted roller is a jewel of the Masai Mara. Its vibrant plumage, a kaleidoscope of lilac, blue and green, is a striking sight against the savanna backdrop. These birds are often seen perched high on branches, scanning the ground for insects, lizards and small mammals. Standing over a meter tall, the secretary bird is arguably one of the most distinctive birds of the Mara. With its long legs and striking black crest, it moves with purpose through the grasslands. A terrestrial hunter, it uses powerful kicks to subdue its prey, which includes snakes, rodents and insects. Its sharp beak and keen eyesight make it a formidable predator. The gray-crowned crane, a symbol of elegance and grace, thrives in the wetland areas of the Mara. Recognizable by its golden crown of feathers, this bird is known for its elaborate courtship dances. Pairs engage in synchronized movements, leaping and bowing with wings outstretched. Their diet consists of grasses, seeds, and small aquatic creatures. All species of vultures play a vital role in the ecosystem of the Mara. These scavengers are nature's cleanup crew. With keen eyesight, they soar high above, searching for carrion. Their strong stomach acids allow them to safely consume decomposing flesh, preventing the spread of disease. The Masai